Hello everyone, this is Khushbu. Our today's topic is the difference between distance and displacement. You all know about motion, that this motion is what? The changing of the position from one position to another position. It change and with respect to time. So when it is changing its position, it is traveling certain distance. And while it is traveling certain distance, like you see, the bird is flying here, and when it is flying, so it is changing its position from one to another. While these horses are riding, so they are also changing its position from one place to another, right? So when they are doing that, so they are actually covering certain distance. So that distance is what? The actual length of the path. Okay, let me explain you with the diagram. Here as you can see, this boy is standing at A point, right? Now it is traveling from A to B and then B to C and then C to D and again to back to the point A. Correct? Now when he is doing that, so the distance covered here will be 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus again 5. Correct? So let me do this correct. 5. So this total will be 16 meter, right? Now this 16 meter is the actual path that has been traveled by this boy. Now if we talk about displacement, what is the displacement that is covered by this boy? Displacement's definition is different from distance. This is the shortest path traveled by the body. Now, the shortest part between what? Between 2 points, the initial position and the final position. In this case, as you can see, that boy is moving from initial position A and come back to the point A back. So, the final position is again A. A and A both are same position and the distance between these 2 points is 0. So we can say that the displacement traveled here by the boy is 0 meter. So this is what the distance and displacement depends upon the direction. Why? Because here we are calculating the direction between 2 points. The point are fixed, final and the initial position. So the direction is measured in displacement case, but distance doesn't depend on that. So here we can say that the distance has no concern with the direction, but the displacement has no concern with the path. Why? Because we do not calculate from which path the boy has been traveled. We just have calculated the initial and the final position. As you can see here in this diagram also, the cyclist is traveling from A to B and then C. So the distance covered will be A, B, C. And if we find about the displacement, it will be only initial and final position difference. The distance, the shortest path, and you know the shortest path will always be a straight line. So it will be 5 meter and we have calculated it by Pythagoras theorem. So I hope you understand what is the distance and displacement difference and we can do certain questions on that. So this is all about this difference thing. Thank you.